Thutha wa kwamũkĩra mũthĩgi wa gũtongoria batuni ya ngwatanĩro ya Azimio la Umoja kĩhĩtahĩtano-inĩ kĩa gĩturwa gĩa president, Raila Odinga ambĩrĩirie thabarĩ ĩno na kũrathimithia ngũbia yake njerũ kanitha-inĩ wa All Saints Cathedral gũkũ Nairobi.
We are praying to the Lord that our people should remain peaceful, irrespective of our political differences. We should not hate each other.
We always go to church and continue to commit His Excellency, the 5th President of the Republic of Kenya, Raila Odinga, to him and to pray that he guides him, he gives him wisdom, knowledge and understanding to make a better Kenya, to use all the resources available including human resource and to make Kenya a better country.
Odinga ugĩte atĩ thayũ wagĩrĩire kũrĩmĩrwo kahinda-inĩ gaka ũrugarĩ wa gĩthurano kĩa mweri wa kanana ũraiguĩkana hakuhĩ kona ciothe cia bũrũri, akĩnyitĩrĩra atĩ ona thutha wa gĩthurano gĩkĩ Akenya no magabatara bũrũri wao gũkinyanĩria mĩhang'o ĩtiganĩte.
Because we are trying to ensure that our democracy matures, that you can be opponents but you are not enemies. At the end of it all, we are all Kenyans.
Kuraya na Nairobi, gĩtaro-inĩ kĩa ithũĩro rĩa bũrũri, Minista wa ũgitĩri wa mĩhaka Eugene Wamalwa atongoretie batuni ya Azimio la Umoja kũmathĩra kura Raila Odinga gĩtaro-inĩ kĩrĩa kĩrĩ ũtonga wa makĩria ma kura milioni 2.5.
Leo natuombee baba ako kwa safari, ameenda kule Uingereza. Baba, tunakuomba kwa sababu tunajua wewe unapenda Kenya. Ukienda kule, ongea mambo mazuri ya Kenya. Usikue kama naibu rais ambaye alienda kule kuharibu jina la nchi hii.
Hao watu ambao wamenunuliwa ndio wanasema Raila ni project. Wewe ukiangalia Musalia na Weta na Raila, nani anafanana project? Nani anafanana project? Hebu waambie Musalia Weta tawe, wafanyie hivi tawe. Tawe.
Atongoria arĩa manyitĩte itemi mũgithi-inĩ ũyũ maugĩte atĩ gĩtaro gĩkĩ kĩarega kwĩhanda thutha wa ngwatanĩro ya Azimio la Umoja gĩkarĩkĩrĩria heho-inĩ ya mũng'ethanĩro.
Now that the die is cast and the next government has been formed and the next president is known, ni chaguo lenu watu wa Webuye, watu wa Bungoma, watu wa Western. Munataka muwe ndani ya serikali ya Azimio ama muwe kwa upinzani?
Watu wa Coast wanakubali Raila Odinga. Watu wa Central, kanini Kenya yuko hapa, wanakubali Raila Odinga. Mimi nataka kuuliza watu wa Webuye na watu wa Bungoma. Serikali yenye inakuja ya tarehe 9 mwezi wa 8 ambaye anaenda kuwa rais wa 5 wa nchi ni Raila Odinga.
Na najua hata Wakikuyu wengine wako hapo huko, hata ninyi najua hamjawahi chagua baba, lakini tarehe 9 mwezi wa 8 mimi na kina Uhuru Kenyatta na Wakikuyu na watu wa mlima na ninyi tutapanga foleni namna hii tumchague Raila Odinga.
Raila Odinga akĩambĩrĩria thabarĩ yake bũrũri-inĩ wa Ngeretha, batuni yake yugĩte atĩ nĩyo ekũiyũkia kĩbarũa gĩa kũhungura matũũra-inĩ matiganĩte kũmũmathĩra kura nĩguo ũrugarĩ ũrĩa ngwatanĩro ĩno yakanĩirio nĩ ũnyitanĩri wa President Uhuru Kenyatta, Raila Odinga na Kalonzo Musyoka mũthenya wa Juma ndũkahore. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.